So let's work through some examples then. In the top right hand corner, there are the rules to help us when working with these. So part A then, we have 6 subtracting a negative 8 then. So remember, when these signs are the same, we replace those with a positive. So what we now have is 6 add 8, which is 14. For the next question then, we have 7 plus minus 3. So we need to circle these and replace. When the signs are different, we replace them with a negative. So the question now is 7 minus 3, which gives us an answer of 4. Part C then, we have a negative 3 minus plus 10. Well, that's subtracting a positive 10 here, but it's important to know that we only replace when two signs are right next to each other. So notice that negative 3 there, that negative step to that 3, it's not next to another sign, so we cannot replace that. Remember, these signs here are different, so we replace with a negative. So the question now reads minus 3 minus 10, which gives you a minus 13. Can you draw a number line to help you if that is needed? Part D, we have minus 7 minus 3. Again, we only replace when two signs are right next to each other. These signs are the same. We have a negative, so that's replaced by a positive. The sign's the same, it's a positive. So we have minus 7, add 3, so we're going up the number line to minus 4. So we've looked at 4 examples, so I'd like you now to try this exercise. If you get yourselves a piece of paper, write out these 8 questions, pause this video, and then when you are ready to mark your answers, press play and I'll be going through the answers with you. In the top right hand corner, that's there to help you with the rules. Okay, going through A then, we have 9 plus minus 9. So we have two signs that are next to each other. So we circle those and we replace them. The signs are different, so we replace with a negative. And we now work out 9 minus 9 is 0. B, we have minus 4 plus minus 13. So the plus and minus are next to each other, so we circle those and replace them. The signs are different, so we replace with a minus. Minus 4 minus 13 is minus 17. Part C, 2 minus 14. We circle the two signs that are next to each other and we replace them. The signs are the same, so we replace with a plus. 2 plus 14 is 16. Part D, we have minus 10 minus 16. These two signs here are next to each other, so we circle those and we replace them. They are the same sign, so we replace with a plus. Minus 10 add 16 is 6. E, 6 minus plus 12, we circle the signs are different, so we replace with a minus. 6 minus 12 is minus 6. F, G, 5 plus minus 11, so we circle the signs that are together and we replace. When the signs are different, it's a negative. 5 minus 11 is minus 6. And for H, minus 3 minus 2, we circle and replace the signs that are together. So these signs are the same, so we replace with a plus. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So if you just mark your work now then, going through those, I was going through them mentally, but remember you can still use your number line to help you as well. Okay, so what I'd like you now to do is to log into My Maths and to then log into your portal to visit your homework that has been set for this lesson. If you don't have your login details, please either email myself or your maths teacher and we will give those to you. So negative numbers 2 is the lesson and online homework linked to this PowerPoint. So you can work through the lesson, which is interactive, before answering the online homework if you'd like some extra help, or you can go straight in and answer question 1 of this homework. So work through it, click mark it, and question 2 will be linked to the next lesson. Please remember, if you have any questions, feel free to email us at any point. So enjoy. Well done, that's the end of the lesson. So what I'd like you now to do is to visit mymaths.co.uk, and you'll need the school login details, and each of you have your own personal username and password to link in. This means then that if you log into this My Portal, you can access your homework and your teacher will be able to see how you're doing and give you feedback based on your homework. If you want, you can go through the lesson. So negative numbers 2 is linked to lesson 2 and lesson 3. If you won't go through the lesson, there's interactive worksheets within that and games. But what I'd like you to do is to work through the homework now so that we can see how all of you have understood this topic. Question 1 is linked to lesson 2. So work through these. Notice they're very similar to what you've worked through in the exercise. Once you've finished your answers, click mark it and save. And then question 2 is linked to lesson 3. Fab. Well done, everyone. Thank you. Bye.